Gianna, and guess what I'm gonna review? You know already. I'm reviewing the Shopkins ice cream truck. Shopkins ice cream truck. Ice cream truck. Ice cream truck. Shopkins ice cream truck. Ice cream truck. So let's see. Let's open it.
This is your last chance. Give me that bottle, puppet. Amazing. It's a real thing. It's called the Shopkins thing. Riley, you're laughing at me? Oh. I'm going to be a radio star. But
I'm putting the ice cream in here. But actually, I'm going to take it up. I'm going to put it on top of the ice cream truck so you can look at it for a while. And here's a little water bottle, so you can stay cool. So, now I'm going to go back to this. So I'm going to put these, well, one of these in here. And this one.
Hey, nice trophy, the Farkle. Thanks, the Maya's mom. It's my Science Fair Lifetime Achievement Award for Get Science You Dream Dreams. Okay. What are you putting in, Maya? Nothing. No hopes, no disappointments. I just wanted to hear about something so far away. But I mean...
Alright.
Well, it's small enough.
And then Shopkins, I'm going to open another thing too. And there, I'll tell you what they are after.
Back in the hardware store? You dragged Sean into this.
I did not drag Sean into this.
Who's that?
Thank you, no. Hey. Alright.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Open his corner. Oh my gosh, it's you. Alright, what did the doctor say? How long does he have to live?
And then, here, this is what I'm going to open. They're erasers, and you can get them at Target for $1.99. So, I'm gonna, alright, bye guys, see you in the next video, right? Bye. Please hit like and subscribe below. And in the comments, and tell me if I should take another Shopkins video. Shopkins Season 3 video. Bye. Have a great day.